Hey guys, Steve here from NextGen AI, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do keyword research using this AI powered scraping tool for just $1, okay? And you're going to end up with something like the spreadsheet in front of me with all the keywords in your niche, the search intent, the search volumes, averages, last months, etc., CPC, keyword difficulty, basically all the information you need to go ahead and power your website or your business through SEO, okay? So stick around, and if you like what you see, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons below, and if you have any questions on the video, comment, and don't forget to sign up to the NextGen AI newsletter where I give away all my prompts every single week. Let's get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so as you can see, we're going to be creating a spreadsheet like this, but don't worry, we're not manually filling in any of this data. It's all going to be automatically generated by this really unique and novel AI tool, and it's called Keywords in Sheets, okay? I love that simplicity. It just simply does what it says on the tin, and like it says on the tagline, it powers your SEO in Google Sheets, okay? So it allows you to search for thousands of keywords in just a few seconds, and it also allows you to take advantage of Google Sheets functions to actually generate even more keywords and queries and things like that. For example, competitor keywords, even ask it questions. There's also, if we go to the free script section, there's actually a bunch of functionality it has completely for free, so you don't pay for anything, okay? Grouping range of URLs by domain, extract the domain from a URL, etc. It has some free functions. But what really caught my eye is I love stuff that integrates to Google Sheets because, let's be honest with it, it's much better than using Excel these days, and it's only pay for what you need, okay? So there is a free, there's some free elements, but for $1 for 500 credits is an absolute bargain, okay? There's no subscription required, you just simply pay for what you need. So if you need some keywords, go ahead and pay $1. All right, and so simply when you log into Google Sheets, so I'm gonna start a new sheet here. Once you've installed it, it's an add-on for Google Sheets, of course. Go to extensions and you'll see it here, okay? And when you click open sidebar, you'll see the keywords in Sheets extension here. So when this is here, it gives you all your information about your credits and things like that, but this is how you'll know it's installed. And if you click on the help center, it takes you to this Notion document. So it'll have all the different functions that you can use to generate keywords, okay? So you can go here, generate search volumes, competitor keywords, take a look at rankings, etc. And it's even got some free formulas here, okay? It's a really unique and novel tool and easy to use as long as you follow the docs, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and we want to search for related keywords, okay? So it's going to say how to use the formula and the different metrics that we can search from. As we can see, this is the formula. So, going back to Excel, they love their formulas, right, to calculate things. This pretty much works the exact same way. So we can go ahead and copy that into our spreadsheet. So I'm going to go ahead and click copy here, and I'm going to go back and simply going to paste it here, okay? So I don't want most of these. I simply, for now, I just want keyword. You want to give it a location because this is going to be pulling real-time data from Google's APIs. So this is as up-to-date as it gets, guys. So we're going to give it a keyword, we're going to give it a location, we're going to give it a format, okay, just for this tutorial. So I'm going to put in the keyword here, credit cards for my financial site. I don't have a financial site, but if I had one, I'm going to give it UK, or we'll say United Kingdom, and I want us to give us the output in rows, okay? Standard spreadsheet format. And as you can see, it's loading, and look how fast this is, guys, okay? It's going to take a few seconds because it's pulling in real-time data, and there we go. All right, awesome. So let me get rid of the sidebar for a second. So as we see from the main credit card keyword, we have all the different related keywords. In fact, we have almost, we have almost 1,000 keywords related to our main keyword, okay? And as we can see, we've got the search intents for a lot of them, commercial intent, etc. Average search volume, latest monthly search, average for the last 3 months, historical search volume, CPC, keyword difficulty. So things like the keyword difficulty, the CPC, the average search volume, the intent, and the keyword fields. I probably want to tidy these up by getting rid of some of these. I'll probably keep that. Yeah, and I'd probably get rid of those just to tidy things up. And you may have your own kind of sheets template that you use, but you can fill in that information very easily from the information you have here. Okay, so that is how easy it is to simply generate as many keywords as you need from your seed keyword, and also find the real-time data behind search volumes, and then you can sort it by keyword difficulty and find out which keywords that your website is able to rank for. Okay, really awesome, really powerful. And like I say, you've just got a spreadsheet there ready to go. So if you want to automate content creation for these keywords, you could simply, with some certain tools, you could simply download this and upload them to your AI writer, and then have it generate content for all these keywords. Okay, really powerful stuff. So if we go back to the Notion document, we can do all sorts of stuff with keywords in sheets. Okay, it's not just simply like that. We can really dive into things like rankings and again, different formulas for each thing. And I love these kind of snippets they have, these animated GIFs that show you exactly what you need to do. And really cool stuff. I love tutorials like this. Okay, again, I just think really easy to use, really novel, really unique software at a very affordable price. $1 for 500 credits, guys. So yeah, go ahead, go to I'll leave I'll leave the link in the description below. It's not an affiliate link or anything. It's just a good product to recommend. And I think I'm going to be using this a lot more moving forward, because it's just quite simply does what it says on the tin. Okay, really easy. So hopefully you liked keywords in sheets. I know I do. And if you want to go ahead and, let's just say I had a financial website and I picked out my keywords and sorted them by keyword difficulty and found the ones that I actually wanted to generate content for my website, then I would probably use an automated tool to generate content automatically as well. So we're really automating using AI as much of the process as possible. Okay, so you've seen me recommend this tool before. It's called Journalist AI. So if you go to tryjournalist.com, or you go to the link in my description for a discount and some bonuses, what I would do is I would simply click on here, General, go to SEO article. So basically this is an AI writing platform, but there's a lot more stuff like that as well. And we can either generate SEO optimized articles by just simply add in an article every single time, or we can use the upload Excel function here. So we would simply download our finished sheet from Google Sheets, and then we would upload it to Journalist AI, and it would generate all content based on all the keywords that we wanted to. And then we could link it up with the blog automator, the auto blogging function, and just simply have it drip feed and publish content to our blog, to our WordPress site, to our Shopify store, etc., completely on autopilot. It even does the internal and external linking for you as well. Okay, really awesome. I'm just going to show you an example on my ultimate guide on how to bake bread at home. Okay, and this is an article that a journalist has produced. This hasn't been edited at all, and as you can see, it's got terms and conditions here, all your H1, H2s, H3s, key takeaways, etc., images, even YouTube videos, and we can just simply add what we want in here. Okay, so if I wanted to use the AI SEO editor, I can simply highlight this and rewrite this however I want to. Okay, make a list out of this info, a table, make it longer, make it shorter, add some keywords in if I want to. I'll even add some extra links. Look how easy this is. Okay, just simply and the AI is pull in relevant, cited, factual, checked links. Boom, add that one in there. Boom, add that one in there. Perfect. Okay, we can also add like images and things like that here. So if I wanted to put an image like right at the top of my article, let's just say here, we can quite simply go like this, add an article, add an image, and generate an image from a prompt. Sliced sourdough with melted butter. It's making me hungry now. And we wait for the AI to generate this image, and we can put that into our article. But like I said, the key point here is yum yum yum. The key point here is automating the whole process. So we do the keyword research using keyword in sheets, and then we upload our finished spreadsheet into Journalist AI to create all the content for it. Okay, and the AI platform does all the internal linking, does the images, does the videos, absolutely everything for you. Okay, so we want to make things as easy as possible for you to go ahead and get that free organic SEO traffic using keyword research from Keyword Sheets and Journalist AI as your content assistant, shall we say, your AI employee. All right, so any questions on any of today's video, please let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I'm trying to find more of these like awesome tools, guys. Keywords and Sheets, brilliant. And like I say, for the price, just spot on. So yeah, once again, hope you enjoyed that. I'm Steve from NextGen AI, and yeah, I'll be giving away probably some keyword research templates in this week's newsletter. So if you want to go ahead and sign up that, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much.